Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Stitch Fix unboxing. It just came in the mail today and I'm really rushing to get this video up. I just came back from the gym and put dry shampoo in my hair, tinted moisturizer on my face. I've got to get ready and I have to be at my son's basketball game in like an hour and a half. So I'm trying to film this video really fast because the rest of the week I'm going to be out of town for business. So I wanted to get this up because there's some things in the Stitch Fix that I may be taking on my business trip with me. So let's get started. Alright, so I haven't even opened this sucker up. But I did ask specifically for a black blazer and a couple of like work items. So I'm really hoping that there's some good stuff in here. All right. So it's a really thick bundle this time. There's my bag, my return bag. Here is my little envelope with my card and everything in it. The oh hello and all of that. So this is the first Stitch Fix that I've gotten on the Style Pass. So if you guys aren't familiar with Stitch Fix, first of all, it's a personalized styling service. You can get every 2 to 3 weeks, every month, every 3 months, however you want to do it. The cost is $20 for the styling fee. And you have a stylist that styles you hopefully every time. You can request stylist or request to be changed, whatever. You fill out a style profile online. You pay $20 a month. And if you buy anything out of your box, that $20 gets credited toward whatever you buy. So a month or so ago, Stitch Fix started sending out these style passes via email. So I saw all these people getting them like on the Stitch Fix boards and stuff, and I got one. I was so excited. So what the deal is with Style Pass is you pay $49 up front and you get unlimited fixes for a year. So like you could have a fix every 2 to 3 weeks and you never pay that $20 styling fee again. It's the $49, okay? Well, what that does, it also gives you a $49 credit on your Stitch Fix account. So because I paid the $49 styling fee, I now have a $49 credit on my account to put toward anything in this box that I want or the next box or whatever. And my next box, I don't have a styling fee. So I'm so excited about it because it really, I mean, it's a year's worth of fixes and you don't feel that kind of obligation to keep something because of the $20 styling fee. Another thing is if you buy all 5 pieces in the box, you get a 25% discount, which you still get that with the Style Pass. So I really couldn't see a drawback to it. I'm pretty excited, but this is the first fix that I've gotten using my Style Pass. Okay, so here's my note. Nope, that's not my note. That's my price sheet, and I don't want to see that right now. Hi Jennifer, happy Fix Day and welcome back. I'm so happy to see that your last fix was spot on, and it really was. I kept everything. It was a 5 for 5. I hope you're getting a ton of wear out of each of the pieces and that we can hit it out of the park again today. You mentioned wanting another professional piece, so I included this amazing tart blazer, yes, for you to try. It isn't petite, but the fit is a bit more snug and it should wear on your frame nicely. Next, try this versatile pair of cut from the cloth boyfriend jeans. I think you'll love how comfortable and versatile these are. You can dress them up or down with ease. On a casual day, wear them with this Kylie mixed material top. Tuck the front in for a stylish flare and add your favorite neutral booties and a tote for an effortless look. Enjoy, Jennifer XO, Kendall. Okay, so Kendall has been my stylist. My bangs are just not cooperating after going to the gym. I had them pinned back and then I had to wet them to like get them to lay down. Okay, so it looks like I have a cardigan, which is awesome. The distressed boyfriend jeans, I'm okay about. I'm not super excited about. I do have enough jeans, so and they're gonna have to be pretty awesome and pretty awesomely priced for me to keep those. A 9 Brighton knit pull over knit top, which I love the last 9 Brighton I got, so I'm excited about that. A Kaylee mixed material knit top, and then the French Terry blazer from Tarte. So it looks like some pretty good stuff, you guys. I'm pretty excited about this. Okay, this is definitely a more pricey fix. So, all right, we'll see. All right, so here's the burrito. Lots of blacks, grays, neutrals, which I love. So I'm okay with that. just see what we have. Okay, so the first thing on top is the Kaylee Chalene Mixed Material Knit Top in Black. It is $44 and it is a size small and it is absolutely beautiful. So if you can see, it's got like the detail here on the arms and then the back. I love tops like this. I actually have a couple and I wear them a lot. I wear them all the time. They're very flattering. They look super cute with like skinny jeans because the back is like, it's lower in the back and higher in the front. So it actually looks, they're usually very, very cute on. So I'm excited to try that one. Okay, so that's $44. The next is the blazer. Okay, this is that one item that I actually did ask for in my fix this time. It is very, very soft. It is kind of a knit material. It's not like a traditional blazer material. So this is the Tarte Kaylee French Terry Blazer in black, size small, and it's $128. Ooh, I don't know about that. We'll see. I'm gonna try it on. I'm not gonna say no because my thought is I do have the credit, the $49 to apply, and also the $20 styling fee because I had already paid the styling fee for this box when I accepted the Style Pass. So because I'd already accepted because I'd already paid for the box, I also have a $20 credit as well. So yeah, we'll see. Okay, so here is the nine Brighton pullover. Okay, just at first glance, I do not like this material. It feels like a washcloth. Not like a wash. Okay, seriously, my bangs are killing me right there. It doesn't feel like a washcloth. It feels like I don't know. It's just very fleecy. Okay, anyway, it's the Mayette pullover knit top in navy, size small. It's $48. Not a bad price. It's a very cute, like kind of very similar to the Nine Brighton I got in my last box. That was just kind of a cute casual, and I have worn that. Oh my gosh, you guys, I think I've worn that at least once a week since I got it in my last fix. So really like that. All right, so the next item is the Artie Style Montoya Open Cardigan in burgundy, size small, and this is $68. Okay, very, very cute cardigan. It's kind of the open cardigan. It's a very loose weave on the material, so it's kind of a chunky knit. And I have to say, I do not have a cardigan this color. I may be in trouble. I don't have a cardigan this color. Okay, and again, $68 for that. And then here are the cut from the cloth jeans. Sorry, I put that paper down there. So here are the cut from the cloth jeans. These are the Distressed Boyfriend, and I have to say they're super cute. I really, really like them. They have a little bit of distressing, but not too much. And in the picture, they do have these cuffed as well. So I think you can, like roll them up and wear them cuffed. And she did send these in a petite, which I'm a sucker. If you send me something in a petite, it just fits me so much better. So this is a cut from the cloth, Kate Distressed Boyfriend for petite, and these are $78, which that's not too bad for jeans. I would pay that for jeans. To me, $78 for a pair of really good jeans that fit well, that's okay with me. I don't have a problem with that. And I really don't have any that have this distressing on them. So let me try these things on and I will be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. So I have on the mixed media top. It is very, very cute. It's very, I almost think I could have used an extra small in this though. And it fits, but it is very loose, which is okay. I think it will look really cute with like some really tight skinny jeans. I think these jeans are a little too loose. And these jeans, guys, they're too big, I think. I know they're boyfriend, but like I've got a lot of room right here in the waist. So I think I probably could have went down a size. And so you can see the, let me see if I can turn this down just a little. There we go. So you can see, I mean, they fit, but again, I think that they would probably stretch out a little bit, maybe, I don't know. She suggests like tucking the front of this in like that, which is cute. I really like that. I think that looks a lot better, a lot more flattering, and I do wear my shirts like that quite a bit. So, all right, on to the next. Okay, you guys, so I just threw on the cardigan over this little top, and I really do like the cardigan. I think it's really cute. It fits really well. It's not too long. I love the color. So I really, really like this. Yeah. Now I'm kind of wondering if I do a 5 for $5, if I could exchange these jeans for a smaller size, like maybe a 2 petite or something like that, maybe. But anyway, so here's the cardigan. Really, really like it. It is a perfect length, and it looks really cute with these distressed jeans too. So, all right, guys, here's the blazer. So I really, really like this, and it fits perfect. It fits perfect. So I do have that like kind of bunchy shirt underneath, but yeah, it's so soft. I really, really like it. I mean, I wouldn't wear it with a shirt like this sticking out the bottom. It does have shoulder pads in it, which is strange. I don't think I've had anything with shoulder pads in a long time. But this is just a really pretty blazer, and it fits so well, which I'm really surprised because it's not a petite. So I'm really surprised that it fits as well as it does. But I mean, you can, I don't know if I had kind of had my shirt tucked in or whatever, but yeah, it's really cute. I really, really like the blazer. She did a great job. The fit is like just perfection. Yeah, very good. Okay, one more top. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I may have to eat my words on this one. I said that I didn't like this top, but wow, it is so cute on. And it's very, very comfortable. The neck is like just slightly kind of a boat neck, and that's the way the other 9 Britain top that I have is, and it's so cute. It just adds a little bit more to it. But I really, really like this. It's so comfortable. I could definitely see me adding this to my rotation, my weekend rotation for sure. Yeah, really cute. So now I'm definitely in a conundrum. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so now is the hard part. I tried everything on, and with the exception of the boyfriend jeans, I think they're just a size too big. I think if I could get those in a 2 petite and maybe exchange those, I think they would work really well. And the mixed material knit top as well, I think if I could get that in an extra small, I really like it. I just think it's a little bit too big. If I could exchange those two, I really think this would be another 5 for $5. I can't believe I'm saying that. The blazer is absolutely perfect. It fits perfect. The material is nice. I think it will be very travel friendly. I don't think it's gonna wrinkle. I really, really like it, and I need a new black blazer. Mine is worn out. The one that I have, I've had for years and years and years from Banana Republic, and I love that blazer, but it's just really starting to look worn out, and I really needed another one. And as little as I wear a black blazer, I think that would probably last me a very long time. I'm sorry I keep touching my hair, but that's really bothering me. Okay, so love the blazer. The distressed boyfriend jeans, love them, but I think I would need a smaller size. The pullover knit top that I have on is just beyond comfortable, and I really, really love the way it's got the band and the gathers and stuff. It's a cute sweatshirt, but it doesn't look like a sweatshirt. And it was $48. The cardigan is $68, and I really love that. I don't have a burgundy cardigan like that. All of my cardigans are very neutral, so I don't have one like that. And then the material top we talked about, if I could exchange that for an extra small, I think I would. So this is, my subtotal comes to $366. The buy all discount of 25% takes off $91.50. I have a $49 credit from the Style Pass. That brings my total to, let's see, so that would bring my, then minus another $20 for my styling fee because I'd already paid it for this box when I got the Style Pass. So take off $20. My total comes to $205.50. So $205.50 and just the blazer is $128. So if I did that, I would almost be getting 3 items for free. I have to do that math. Hold on just a second. So $205.50 minus $128. Okay, so that would be the blazer, and then the jeans are $78. So I would basically be paying for the blazer and the jeans, however you want to look at it, and be getting all the other 3 items for free because of my credits and discounts. So I think what it's going to come down to is if I can exchange the jeans and the knit top. If I can exchange the jeans and the knit top for smaller sizes, then it's going to be a 5 for 5, I think. That's a really good deal considering that just the blazer is $128. Now here's another option. I could just buy the blazer. Okay. So if I just buy the blazer at $128 minus $49 minus $20, it would be $59 for just the blazer minus my credits, because if you just buy one item you don't get the 25% discount. That's only on all 5. So you guys help me decide. I have no idea. I don't know what to pick. And I'm gonna have to make a decision before I leave for my trip because I'm gonna be gone the rest of the week. So boo. I think because this video will go up tonight, I think I'll take the fix with me in my bag, and then that way I can mail it from wherever I'm at. So I think that's probably what I'll do. Stitch Fix. All right. Thanks, you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Leave a comment down below if you're new, and thank you for subscribing. I've gotten some new subscribers this week. So exciting. And leave me a comment. I love to chat back and forth with you guys. I think it's super fun just to see where everybody's from and what you think about the videos. And leave me a comment on what you think I should buy. Okay.